Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm going to do a quick video here cutting a tubular key with the S3 jaw on the Black Widow key machine. Next couple of videos here, next days and weeks, I'm going to do some videos cutting some keys that the X-Horse Dolphin can't cut. So for this one, got this old Supra lockbox door and have a key for it right here that I made a long time ago. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it on the Dolphin. So first thing we'll do here is we'll go in the app and go to Tubular Keys. And I'm just going to go to Chicago. And we're going to just decode it, and it just shows us S3 jaw. And just to put the key in this orientation in the machine, so we'll go and we'll do that real quick here. So just put the key on the barrel part of the key, and just we'll tighten it up here, snug it up. And I will go ahead and hit decode, and let the machine do its thing here. And it's going to go ahead and first, of course, just index the key, and then it's going to go ahead and actually decode it, and then we'll throw the blank in there and cut it. So just indexing the key now, then it's going to go through and just measure all 7 cuts. Right, now it's done with that, and this is the cuts that it came up with. So now we'll go and throw the blank in there, and we'll actually cut it. So let me get this key out of there, and we'll take our blank key. And just get it snugged in the jaw like so. And we'll go ahead and jump back to the app, and I'm just going to hit cut. I've got 2mm cutter, got it on speed 5, and we'll go ahead and we'll cut it. So once again, here, just going to index the key, and then it'll cut it, and then we'll test it out, make sure that it works. Alright, so it's cut the key, and we'll go ahead and we'll test it out, just make sure that it's working here. So out of the S3 jaw, and we'll test it out, and voila. Got a perfectly working key, so you can do vending machines, Harley Davidsons with this machine. And you can also just code cut one too if you decode one of these locks with one of the decoding tools, and then measure it, and you can enter the cuts in directly and cut a key that way as well. So just right here we got Black Widow doing one more thing that the X-Horse Dolphin can't do. And really, I guess that's all I got for this one. If you guys have questions or comments, as always, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.